Bloom Energy, what an amazing opportunity right now. Yesterday, I did a video about Nancy Pelosi and her hubby buying 15,000 shares of Bloom, as well as buying 200 super deep in the money call options. Now, obviously, they're not going to invest millions of dollars unless they know a few things about the direction of that stock. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to talk about capitalizing on Bloom. Watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to show you click by click using the app that I used, the app that I created to help you trade better. So you can look at all different trades and flip back and forth and analyze the rate of return in fractions of a second. Now, first, let's talk a little bit about Bloom because it's got so many great things going for it. First of all, it's AI, but not the regular chip AI. It's about powering AI because AI is the way of the future, but you have to power it. So Bloom is like energy in a box. They have this like $20 billion backlog, meaning they have all these sales that they haven't even fulfilled yet. That's a good story for a company to have. Revenue growing, profits amazing, strong leadership, high volatility on the options. The options is about 90, 100% volatility. That's good because the higher the volatility, the more you get paid as an option seller. I'm going to walk through all these different opportunities in selling puts as well as covered calls in this video. If you're a stock trader and you're just hoping and praying and waiting for your stock to go up, man, you are trading all wrong. You need to sell options so you create cash in your pocket from week to week. There's no better gig than creating income via option selling. And it's not that hard. So let's just hop right into my platform and I'm gonna show you click by click. Now make sure you're subscribed to the channel because I got great things going on. Now the app really helps you find trades and manage them, but there is so much more to come because it's also sending out suggestions for your positions. The whole purpose is for the app to be like your 24/7 option mentor that doesn't ever even go to sleep. Man, if you're not part of my inner circle, you need to be. And you gotta be an app subscriber because if you're trading options and you don't have this app, man, you are missing the boat. All right, let's stop chit-chatting and let's hop right in. All right, this is the Cressivo app. There is nothing in the marketplace better than this in order to help you find trades and manage them with the sole purpose of being successful, making money and not losing money. Check it out. We're gonna hop over to the trade builder and first we're gonna look at selling a put because selling a put is the best thing ever. You take in cash and you're committing to buy the shares if the price drops. If the price doesn't drop, you don't buy the shares, but either way, you keep the money. It is literally like a no-lose scenario when you're selling a put on a stock that you're okay buying anyway. So let's just check some of the scenarios here. Let's fetch the data and let's check the expiration date. Now, yesterday, I showed you how Nancy Pelosi and her husband bought a bunch of call options that are about 1 year out. Now, me personally, I don't like going out that far, but let me show you exactly why. They did the June 17th, 2027 contracts, and they bought $100 calls. Now, this channel is very different. We don't buy options here. We sell them because we want to make income. They are betting directionally. I want to make money no matter what happens to the stock. I don't have insider information like a senator does, so I want to make money no matter where the stock goes. Now, when I look at selling a put, I look at the delta first. That's going to be the cheat sheet way to tell me how likely it is that the stock is going to drop. So right now, Bloom is trading at about $2.17 per share, as we can see here. So here's the great thing about the app. We can just click a whole bunch of things and analyze them on the fly. So let's just start with one spot. Let's start with something that's at the money, right? So if Bloom is at 217, let's look at a 210 put and let's just compare the June 17th, 2027, which is the date that Nancy Pelosi and her hubby bought those contracts for. Let's evaluate that contract and we can see that it's not bad. It's making about 34%. So that's not bad, but it's at the money and it's a really long time frame. Now, the cool part about selling a put is that you get paid right up front. So for example, if you were to sell this contract today, for each contract you sell, you would literally make $5,700. You need $21,000 to make the trade because it's a 210 contract, right? So you're committing to buy 100 shares. 210 times 100 is 21,000. And right off the bat, you're taking in a check for $5,700 right to your brokerage account. So that's not bad. But let's look at it a little bit closer, because I don't like to wait a whole year. I like to flip my money over and over again. Let's look at next Friday as an example. And also, let's look a little bit further away from where it's trading. So right now it's trading at 217. Let's look at like a 190 contract as an example. That only has a 13 delta, meaning it's got to drop a bit, actually 12%, in order to require us to buy the shares. Now look at our annualized rate of return. Our annualized number is actually higher than the contract that we looked at that Pelosi's bought. Shorter time frame, less money that we have to put up, less income, right? But we're able to flip our money over and over again. So here's the thing when you trade options, guys. This is for next Friday. One of two things happens when the contract expires next Friday. If the price of Bloom is lower than 190, bro, you're buying 100 shares at 190. Cool. Then you turn around and sell a covered call. If it's not under 190, if it's higher, the contract will expire worthless and you're going to sell another put. So this is what I mean by flipping your money over and over and over again. And you can mix and match puts and calls. And I showed you in yesterday's video. This is why you guys got to subscribe so you can see these videos over and over again. Let's look at a buy right. Hey, I want to buy 100 shares of Bloom right now, and then I want to sell an at the money call. And let's say for next Friday expiration. So now if I bought 100 shares at 217 and then I sold a 220 call, man, that contract's going for $10. So here's the thing. Each contract is 100 shares. So 10 times 100 is $1,000. So $1,005 gets dropped into your account right when you make the trade. Next Friday, if Bloom is over 220 per share, cool. You sell your shares at 220. That's cool because you paid 217. So you make a couple dollars in capital gain. Plus you keep the $1,000 in premium. If Bloom is not over 220 per share, well, that's cool too, because you keep your shares, you keep the $1,000, and man, you sell another contract the following Monday. This is what I'm talking about, flipping your money over and over again. I'm telling you, if you are trading stocks and you are not trading options, you are literally missing the fucking boat. So what'd you guys think? Are you pro Bloom or what? It's fast becoming one of my favorite tickers, to be honest with you. I love the story, I love the income, and I love just flipping your money over and over and over again. Listen, make sure you get the app. The link is in the description. If you want one-on-one mentorship, that link is in here too. It's not for everybody, but man, does it make a difference in your trading. And it's meant to pay back in multiples over time. And I also have a new course coming out. I'm telling you, there's no better gig than selling options. Anyway, that's it. I hope you liked the video, man. If you did, smash the like button and make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well as my inner circle. I'll see you in the next video and happy trading.